All right, what we got here is the Young Electric Easy Fold Platform 2 e-bike rack. And I'm gonna throw this together. I got about, I don't know, I got 20 minutes. Should be doable, right? Got our directions here. Pretty explanatory. Yeah, good thing they got pictures. All right, let's see. Got some broken zip strips. Hopefully broken's okay, because yeah, 3 of 4 are broken. But there was one here that was still together. So I guess one was really all it needed. This is the heavy duty part. It's the part that, oh, there's another broken plastic strip. So if you're keeping track, that's 4 out of 5 broken. Okay, go like that. This guy hooks on like that. Right? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe like that. Let's see. I know what you're saying. This is a good time to get out the directions. While I don't disagree, I honestly think I could probably figure it out. See, this bad boy sticks up there like that. There's got to be a bolt that holds it in place, obviously. Get around here to a bike. If that lock wasn't in the way, I could go here. Otherwise, I got to go on the seat. A lot of people don't want to go on the seat post. Depends on the lock. I may need to move the lock. We'll see. According to that picture, there's a bar right here, but I don't see that bar right there. Well, this one ain't got a bar there either. According to the picture, there's a bar right here, but not there. The picture shows it going under like this, but that don't. Can't do it like that. That ain't. Nope, that ain't gonna work. Let's see. It's got to go like this. I mean, it just has to go like this. Yeah, I'm telling you though, this ain't never gonna line up. If that's truly how it goes, $5 says I got it upside down. $5 says I got it upside down. Know what happens when you get in a hurry? This is what happens when you get in a hurry. Oh shit, I got like 10 minutes. All right. So, if you're wondering, it goes like this, in case you're wondering. This handy dandy little lock for it, which is interesting. Comes off like that. So the way this works it screws in like this. Let's see if I can get you down there, let you see it. So, oh, I can see this is gonna suck. You do not want to be taking this on and off. Huh. You see that shit? You gotta screw that through there every damn time. Here, you watch it. Let me get you over here. You can see the amount of space I got to work with here is astronomical, right? Oops, hello. Get that in there. Look at that. Just put this bad boy on here like this. This is probably the biggest pain in the entire project. All right, that goes on there. So, all right, simple as that. Easy peasy. All right, simple. All you gotta do, pull on this guy right here, and that unlocks it. So, this guy goes quarter of a turn, and now it can't accidentally go down. Pull it out and turn it. Now, you set it down like that, or put it all the way down like that, huh? Yeah, cool, huh? All right, stick it up here. At this point, I should have realized there was a problem. Obviously, the two bolts aren't supposed to hold this thing on. It's obviously supposed to sit on that rack. I am right. Putting it together on the truck looks easier to me instead of on the ground. I've seen guys put this together on the ground. I got some lights coming because you won't be able to see the lights of the truck. Those are on. Whew. All right, which one's which? I'm gonna assume they want this one out so that you can read Young Electric. That's going to be my assumption. But let's see. How's that? Okay. So, gotta be able. Huh. Well, that don't look so nice. It's upside down. I took these posts off 2, 3, 4 times. You have to put these plastic shims on there, and you've got to also squeeze the bolt through and tighten it all down. And there's no way to keep the plastic shim on there while you're also trying to put the post in, and there's not enough room beside the post to put both shims in. It's really difficult to do. It might have gone better if I had left it upside down, to be honest with you. Old fat man down. Stay. Okay. Shim's in place. All right. Easy. Easy peasy. So front wheel isn't in there, but definitely gonna have to watch out for the spokes. So on a long trip, I'm gonna remove the lock and probably use the lock anyway, so the strap would be down where the lock is on a long trip. But for short trips, this ought to work just fine. Supposedly I can lower this. Okay. Ow. Whoa. Whew. That's heavy with two bikes. Woo. That's heavy. There it is. All its glory. Ended up putting a 6-inch hitch extender on there to get it away from the truck.